Hello and welcome to the first episode of the GrowthStart Insights Video Podcast. In this episode, we'll be doing an introduction of the channel and we will be sharing some of the reasons why you should start an online business today. I'm Bernard Lutz and I'm your host for this episode. So let's jump into it. Firstly, what is this channel about? GrowthStart was founded in 2016. We started out focused on providing digital services for startups and small business. Now, we did all kinds of different services, including website design, graphic design, even printing business cards and doing consultations. Now, over the last 5 years, we've really streamlined this process and we've really decided that we want to create value directly to new entrepreneurs that want to start their online businesses. So thereby, this channel was started. We will be doing interviews with known successful entrepreneurs in the industry. We will be doing tool reviews, in-depth tutorials, and we will be sharing all the knowledge that we've acquired in the last 15 years in the online business space. Now, what this means to you is that it will make your journey to online business success so much easier. There are so many things that I wish I had known when I started my first online business in 2007. Now, it was very difficult back then. There was no such things as easy online platforms. You had to battle to find payment gateways. I didn't have a clue what kind of product to choose, and we're going to guide you through all that so you don't have to make the same mistakes and you can make the whole entire process so much shorter. So we're going to take you through step by step. Firstly, how to find a product. Do you make your own product? How to source a product? What is dropshipping and how does that work? Quite interesting, but we will get to that in time. Now, the second thing is, what platform should I use? Should I use WordPress or Shopify? Should I get a custom web developer? What are the costs involved? Do I have to pay for hosting? Do I need an email account? Is that separate? How does that all work? We'll go through step by step on each of those points. Now, we are also going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to increase your sales once we get to that part. How to establish a sales funnel, how to use content marketing, digital marketing, and all the sorts. Do you need to use paid advertising or not? And what are the benefits of that if so? Now, my first business that I started online was a total failure. And the reason for that is I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I didn't know where to find the product, what product people actually wanted to buy. And it's such an important question. Where do you find that first product and how do you know that there is a market for it? Now, we're going to take you through that process as well. But the first question that is probably in your mind is, why should I start an online business? And if I want to, then how would I go about that process? Now, firstly, having an online business is hard work. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not typically an overnight success. It takes a lot of time and hard work. And by that, do not get frustrated by the time aspect. A lot of us would say we don't have time to do that, but you can take 30 minutes a day, work on this every single day, and in a couple of months, couple of years, you're going to have a super successful online business. And that I can guarantee you, if you put in that work, you're going to get it done. Now, a lot of people will object. Firstly, I want to start it, but I don't have time. Also, I don't perhaps have the capital to start that. We will be exploring exactly what kind of capital do you need up front to start your business? And myself, I'm a big believer of bootstrapping, doing the most cost-effective way about everything. Now, I'm going to share everything that I've learned in the last 15 years, and we're going to take you on this journey and path. Now, why should you start an online business? So there are several reasons that people typically will get into this. Firstly is, I perhaps have a day job, but I don't enjoy it, and I want to pursue something different that gives me the independence to do so. Now, there are some financial benefits when you do start an online business, but yet again, it does take quite a bit of time to actually make a decent amount of revenue and profit. Now, all those objections, we would love to answer them for you. So if you have any objections or any reasons that you think you cannot start an online business, please put it in the comments and we will have a look at those and answer each of them. Now, another thing that people say is, I don't have the knowledge. So we are going to be doing tutorials. If you don't know how to use WordPress, we're going to take you through that step by step. If you don't know how to register an online domain, we will take you through that process as well, step by step, and show you where to get the best suppliers, the best tools, and everything that you need. Now, let's look at the benefits of having your own online business. If you have a day job that you hate, it's going to take some time to get this business established to a point where you can actually quit your full-time job and not need your salary. But that does not stop you to start it today and have it gradually grow. And I can guarantee you with time the growth is exponentially and you'll be earning more money every single month. Now, this can also be what people call a side hustle. So if you just want a complementary income to your salary, perhaps you really enjoy your day job, but there is something that you are passionate about and a product that you really have a lot of knowledge about and you can share, whether that be a physical, digital, or information product, doesn't really matter as long as you really enjoy what you are doing. Now, you're going to be able to get a lot of free time if you successfully implement an automated online business, and that is my key focus area. How do you streamline this process from basically sourcing the product, whatever that might be, how to get it to the customer, the payments, the customer care? How do we streamline and automate that entire process so that it is as low touch as possible, where we really can concentrate on the growth of this business? And we're going to take you through that as well. So you absolutely have nothing to lose in trying this. If it doesn't work the first time, that's great, because you're going to learn so much in that experience and it's going to benefit you on your journey to success. Now, you should start it today. If it does not work out, really you have only gained. You're going to gain experience with all these tools that we'll be using. You'll be gaining knowledge of the industry, and perhaps you do want to continue it and make it successful, and you'll have been learning more and more with every attempt, every task that you complete, every minute that you spend on this business. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and please like and comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. And stay tuned for the next episode coming next week. Thank you.